In this video, I am going to share my thoughts on why I think the current generation Retina MacBook Pros are better than any Windows laptop out there. Why I think like that? As you can see, I am a Windows user. I am now using Windows 8. I own Windows laptop. I own Windows desktop, but I still like to own a Retina MacBook Pro. I will buy in mostly in the next release. Why I like to buy a Retina MacBook Pro? Why I think it is better than any Windows laptop out there? Because it is MacBook Pro is a pricey stuff. You will not get the specs or the hardware what you are going to pay for, but you get a better machine. The price, not the price, portability versus performance ratio, also the style and looks. MacBook Pros are superior to any Windows PCs. As you can see, the MSI GT80, Asus ROG, Eurocom, Sagar custom laptops, the Razer Blade, etc. are better than MacBook Pro when it comes to hardware, the performance, etc. But when it comes to portability and performance, also the looks is relative. Maybe you like this laptop over MacBook Pro, but overall the portability and the performance will be a very big plus for Retina MacBook Pro. The Retina MacBook Pro was released in 2011. They introduced a high definition screen, not just 1080p screen. They included a Retina display with around, I think, a QHD plus resolution. I don't know exactly the resolution of Retina MacBook Pro, but they are look awesome. Also, the internal hard disk or the primary hard disk comes with Retina MacBook Pro or PCIe SSD. The PCIe SSD come with Retina MacBook Pro will give you over 900 megabytes per second read speed and write speed, but in MSI laptop like this you can attach up to 4 Samsung S40 Pro SSD in RAID 0, so you can go 1500 megabytes per second in this laptop. Also, you can upgrade individual parts like GPU. Yes, you can replace the GPU of GT 980 when come a new graphics card from Nvidia. You can swap this thing out and add a new GPU, or can add new RAM. You can upgrade hard drive. You can do more things on Windows gaming laptop like this. But MacBook Pro is upgradability is very limited. You cannot upgrade anything on a MacBook Pro, but that is not the case. Why I thinking it is superior to any Windows laptop out there? Because why you need a laptop? A laptop means you have to take it out and go somewhere else when the on the go computing. That means it is mobile. You need battery backup and a performance, the decent performance. Not you if you get a performance like MSI GT80, like performance on a MacBook Pro, that is better, but technically still it is not possible. We need more room for cooling, so this kind of laptop will bulky in size. But the laptop like Retina MacBook Pros will bring both into one table, performance and portability in a perfect balance. So if you can choose a Retina MacBook Pro, you can develop for iOS. Yes, I am started learning some coding. I'm trying to making some Android or iOS apps. I'm developing some websites, etc. So if you own a Retina MacBook Pro, you can develop for iOS. Also, you can develop for Android. You can make websites, you can run Windows in a virtual machine or boot camp. Also you get a price sorry you get a portability and performance ratio very in a very decent way. Also, if you need a monster PC, you can buy a desktop, you can build a desktop your own. If you really need a powerful machine, you can go for MSI GT80. If you not care about the looks or the size, the weight of the laptop. And in my case, I think the laptop should be portable and it should looks good, and the screen should be IPS or better quality display. Most of the gaming laptop come with TN display. They will not give good viewing angle, but the Retina MacBook Pros will give you better viewing angle. It is an IPS display. Like Eurocom, you can configure these laptops with IPS display and GTA GT 980M SLI with the QHD plus screen, etc. But they are bulky. You can see 4 to 5 kgs of weight. And why did you need a laptop like this on the go? And it will give you around half an hour to 1 hour or 2 hour battery back. So if you need to game, if you need a gaming laptop, you can buy a laptop like this. But I think this is not make any sense, because if you buy a or if you are going to configure your own PC, a desktop PC with the top i7 or i7 Extreme Edition with a good graphics card like GT 980, etc., you can play better than any Windows laptop out there on the desktop machine. Also, it will be cheaper than the GT80 Titan from MSI, etc. So if you need a laptop, if you are going to use a laptop like laptop, you need a laptop like Retina MacBook Pro, or I would say the MacBook Air is not the best, because Samsung ActiveBook and HP Steam, etc., or Chromebook are better than MacBook Air. But for this category, the portability plus performance, battery backup, the screen, etc., they are combined in the Retina MacBook Pro. I think still there is no PC alternative. I mean, a PC laptop alternative for Retina MacBook Pro. If you found a if you found a better option than a MacBook Pro in this category, let me know in the comment section. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. This is Vishnu. Bye bye. If you like this video, click the like button. If you dislike this video, please click the dislike button. Anyway, bye bye.